Here we are, we're at Mount Rose. It's a 2024 pond skim. Got my snowboard and I got all my safety equipment. They built a pond over here and we're going to go ahead and skim over it. Got my outfit here, got my lays, got my life vest, my snorkel, and my shorts. I don't know what to do, but there's no practice, it's just go. We'll see you on the other side. Happy birthday, Stefan. 1738. Woo! Ahoy, matey! Hey, Captain! All right, up next, 55.
On course now, we have number 55. This is a multi-syllabic last name. Laka Samamana. Laka Samamana. It's Portuguese. Sean, let's see what you got. Oh, speed checks are not your friend. He's doing it for the selfie.
Drop in!
He's doing it for the selfie.
Let's go! I'm stuck!
Check out the GoPro backstroke. Let's see what number 56 is going to do for us.
All right, all finished here at the pond skim in Mount Rose. I made it almost to the end, but I went as fast as I could, and then when I fell down, my board sank, so I couldn't get up. I tried backstroke, I tried to do everything, but overall, great time. Hope to be able to do it again next year. Okay, see you.